Hello guys, welcome back. I've been meaning to make this video, but I just haven't gotten to it. I already know I'm gonna get so many questions on how I did it. So I was like, let me just show you guys in a video. We are filling in kind of like a gallery wall over here. I wanted some new art. I didn't really know what to get. Everything is like the same everywhere. Everyone has the same things in their house. So I was like, I want to do something different. I got this idea from, I want to give them both credit, from Jam Creative Studio. She has a Playboy, a vintage Playboy art wall in her house. And then I went onto YouTube to try to figure out like how the hell am I going to make this happen. And I found Nat Wood's video where she shows you how she made her Playboy wall. And now we're here. Super easy. Literally all I did was I went onto eBay and I typed in vintage Playboy magazines. I actually went with kind of like a mix of vintage and newer ones. So there's so many on there, and all I did was I looked at different sellers, what they were selling, and all the covers, and I screenshotted all the covers and went onto Canva and put all the covers kind of onto one page just to see how they would fit. So I designed it like how the wall would be, and that's pretty much how I made my decision on which covers to pick. I think it's really important to plan, you know, what you're gonna do, because you don't want to get them and be like, this doesn't go well together. So I went onto eBay, I did that. They were not expensive. And then I ordered from Michael's these frames. These are 9x12 frames. These are a little bit thicker, so I could put the whole magazine in them. Another thing to note is that older Playboy magazines compared to newer ones, they're two different sizes. I'm gonna put these down because I don't want them to fall, but these are two of them that I did. I'm gonna show you how I do them. Like this one is 2016 and this one is 2014. They are different sizes. They're not too far off, but they are definitely different. Thought it was gonna be a bigger issue than it was, but it really wasn't that bad. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do them, and I hope this is helpful. Take off the back. Take this off, don't throw this away. Take your magazine, make sure there's nothing on it, and then try to perfectly align them. Sometimes you might think they're perfect, and then I take them out and I'm like, that is so crooked. And then you're gonna take this little filler, you're gonna put it backwards. I don't know why I can't talk today, but you're gonna put them backwards and then put it like that, so it just kind of creates like an extra white background. And then you're just gonna carefully try not to move anything, put this in there. Let's see if it's good. Is it? Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh no, it's a little crooked. Good. Good. So easy. So see, like these are a little bit bigger, so they just kind of lay like that. Perfect. Okay, so in no particular order, here are the frames that I picked. So those frames are gonna go on this wall over here, and I can't wait to put them up. Once they are up, I will show you guys the finished product. But so easy, not even that expensive, and I mean, to like frame it on your own is obviously going to be cheaper, because if you had them professionally framed it would be a lot more, but this was such an easy project. You literally are putting a magazine in a frame. Couldn't be easier. So I will show you guys once it's all done. So here is the wall finished. It was so easy to do. I did it all by myself without Rob.
Right.
I'm just kidding. So happy with the way it came out. We played around like with the placement and everything, and I just love it. It looks so good.